Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to review and or edit your emails within Patient Pilot. We know there's a lot of docs and practices out there that love to set it and forget it. That's great. We'll take care of you. But if you're one of those practices that you'd love to see what's going out or maybe provide some edits yourself, you're more than welcome to do so. All you have to do is log into the members area. This is a test account here that you're going to see on the screen. Yours will be yours. So members.thesmartchiropractor.com. You log in right there. It's going to get you to the screen you see here. To edit or to review your emails. On the right-hand side, you're going to see under helpful links, that top one says review scheduled emails. You can click right there, or up in the top right, there's a hamburger menu, those three little lines. You can click there. You can see the fourth one down currently, review scheduled emails. So either of those buttons is going to bring you over to where you can check out your emails. We'll see that come up on the screen right here. And all you have to do is you can see your recent drafts, or you can select drafts right there. Drafts are going to be the future emails. That's the easiest way to say that. So we're going to click into one here, and you can do the same. You can choose any email. All you have to do, if it's a draft, you'll click right in. You'll be able to see exactly what's going on. If you'd love to edit, you just click the edit button. So edit the subject line, you can click edit from, you can click edit. If you just would like to see what it looks like, just click that preview button. It's going to show you exactly what the email is going to look like, what it says, and man, these things look awesome. So all you have to do is click on that preview, and then you can see what it looks like on both mobile and on desktop or tablet. I'll X out of that briefly. If you'd like to edit anything, you just click edit. And if you'd like to edit the email itself, that's on the right-hand side of your screen. You can see the email right there. I'm going to click that edit button where you can see my mouse bouncing up and down. If I click edit there, that's going to bring me right into the email itself. And then any of these sections, if I want to edit anything, I'm going to click where it says edit. That brings up your editor on the left-hand side of the screen, just like a traditional processing program. You can just type in any edits or remove anything. But please, a key factor here is when you scroll down, you're going to see a button that says Save Changes in green. So if you edit anything in your emails, you must click the Save Changes button for those to take effect. If you do not click the Save Changes button, your edits will not be saved. Really important there. So always click Save Changes. And again, once you click Save Changes, you can re-preview by hitting that upper right-hand preview button. And you can see exactly what you did, what it looks like, and how it is going to ship. So it is really that easy. We'll do a quick recap here. Log into the members area, click on the button that says See or View Scheduled Emails. It's going to bring you into your email dashboard. You're going to go to your drafts. Your drafts are your future emails. You can see all draft campaigns if you'd like. You can choose each and every one. You could look at many as you want. You click on it, and then you have all of the editing capabilities right there. If you make those edits, or if you just want to preview, click preview. You see it right there. Beautiful. Looks awesome. If you'd like to make those edits, click the edit button and be sure to click Save Changes. That's how you edit emails. If you have any follow-up questions, please reach out to our team. We are happy to help. Have an awesome day.